The wife is leaving for work, but she's going to have to clean the windshield first. And there she goes.
I just have to make sure she's not coming back. She's been forgetful lately.
Oh shit, she's coming back. Doesn't sound like my car. No, just a neighbor. Guys, this is our secret. I'll give you extra treats. Just don't tell anyone, okay? Stormy, especially you. It's not what you think. Well, it actually might be what you think, but I don't think it is because I got a great deal on the tires and my wife is not gonna be having any pissy fits on the tires or for the tires. It's what those tires are gonna mount on is where I'm gonna be up Schitt's Creek without a paddle. Gotta figure out what to say, how to do this, how to play this. And those thinking, duh, she's gonna find out by watching this video. Well, she doesn't watch my videos because she thinks they'd be too hard on our marriage.
And now, please hit the like button and subscribe for more relationship-ending comments.
And when a wife says, that'll be too hard on your marriage, you listen to your wife. Now I can say this, it's paid in full, I've never seen it, and it's never been started in 10 years. I just have to find time to go pick it up. But before I do that, I have to shovel my way out. Well,